the question is asking us to find p. If this, we have a to the power 3 plus b to the power 2c equals 1, given this equality. So we mean that this one is equal to this one is equal to this one is equal to this. So we approach it by equating the whole of this one to x. So doing that, I'll have my log 2 to the power a divided by 4 equals log 2 base 2 to the power b equals 6 equals log base 2 to the power c equals 3p, all equals x. So by doing this, it means that this one equals x. So let's take this one. So log 2 to the power a all divided by 4 equals x. So it is, we can do our cross multiplication. So doing that, I'll have my log 2 to the power a equals 4x. So applying one of the log rules, I will have my a equals 2 to the power 4x. So now we've gotten a. So let's put it aside. Now I can also equate this one to x. So doing that, I have my log 2 base 2 to the power b divided by 6 equals x. So going through the same process like how we did this, I will have b equals 2 to the power 6x. Now I will equate this one 2 by x. So doing that, I'll have my log base 2 to the power c divided by my 3p equals x. So going through the same process, now my c becomes 2 to the power 3px. So now we have a here, we have b also here as our equation 2, then we have c as our equation 3. Okay, so now let's continue. Now from here you can see that in the question we have a to the power 3 multiplying b to the power 2 multiplying c equals 1. So now we know the values for a, b, and c. So let's do our substitution. So doing so, I'll have a is 2 to the power 4x all to the power 3 multiplying my b, where my b is 2 to the power 6x all to the power 2 multiplying c, where our c is 2 to the power 3 px bracket close equals 1. So what you have to do next is to try to change all the terms into an exponent of 2. So from here, but first we have to apply the powers first. So applying the powers, I'll have my 2 to the power 12x multiplying, now this one 2 gives me 2 to the power 12x multiplying my 2 to the power 3 px equals, now this one I can change it to base 2 as 2 to the power 0 So here we apply the multiplication rule here. So doing that, I can multiply this one, then add the exponent. So doing that, I'll have my 2 to the power 24x multiplying my 2 to the power 3px equals my 2 to the power 0. So now, applying the same, since they have the same base, we can add the exponent. So doing that, I have my 2 to the power 24x plus my 3px equals my 2 to the power 0. So from here, the same base, we compare the exponent. So doing that, I'll have my 24x plus my 3px equals 0. So since we have this one here, I'll move this 3p to the right hand side, or I can move this one to the right hand side. So let's move the 24x to the right hand side. So doing that, I'll have my 3px equals negative 24x. So with this, we can make p the subject from here by dividing both sides by 3x. So divide this one by 3x, divide this one by 3x. So this cancel this and this. So therefore my p equals negative 24x divided by 3x. So by simplifying it, my p becomes negative 8 by cancelling this. Thank you for watching the video, but please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell for more videos.